Alright, CSS battle time. It's the end of a very long day, and I'm just going to try to get this done. We have dots and blocks. You don't line up. I feel like a border inline dotted is going to come into play. And this could be a single box shadow, left and right. And this could be the same thing, but inset. So it's a question of which one do I want to be the HTML and which one do I want to have be the body. They're definitely going to be background blue. I mean, that's kind of a given. Border, inline. We're going to go, I wonder how big are these? 80 to 130, so 50. So, dotted. And pink. So maybe the HTML is the one on the bottom, because it almost looks like, sizing wise, could be about right for where the body's lining up. No, it's too far. In? No. It might be about right. Okay, let's change this to select only the HTML so we can just work with that. We want this bottom dot to get in the right spot. But we're going to go margin. And we're going to, top is going to be like 200. Sides, we're going to be like 20. Okay, perfect. And bottom is going to be like 20. And let's walk it all the way down. Okay. Can we do 0 here? Yeah, we can do 0 on the bottom. We might not be able to do 0 on the bottom. It depends on what this box shadow works out to be. So we're going to go box shadow. Oh man, I have to do 2 insets for this to work. Oh, that won't work. It means 2 variables. If I wanted to just erase them with a variable and turn them into something different, I could establish the variable and then write var and all that, but we can go inset B for box shadow. It's inset, right? And we can say var and we're like more than just the inset. We might save with there we go, 50 pixels and 0, and yeah, see, we need that bottom margin. Let's do our color. It's going to be the blue color. And yeah, look at that. That's not even going to work. Okay, because if we go 60 pixels, we still have that inner edge there. Box shadow starts right at the edge of the dot. Okay, alright, let's rethink this. These are all simple shapes to do. At least I don't have to figure out that variable for that. Maybe I don't do a border inline. We could make a block. We could do 4 elements, and 2 of them are flipped. We could do a WebKit box reflect. To make the mirror image left and right. that box is separate than a border from a border dotted, is what it ultimately comes out to be. So it can't be a box shadow unless the box is its own element by itself. Could be. Could be a paragraph tag that just gets those 4 box shadows. You know what? I don't have time to get too fancy. I'm gonna go with that. So if you do a paragraph tag, it's gonna want to have the border on it. Man, I'm not coming up with any good ideas that are short. This is an easy thing to make. It's just not easy to make short. Terrible ideas. Such a simple design, too. It's kind of really fun. I wish I was in Pushers earlier in the day. Better frame of mind to tackle this. All right. All right. Let's do it this way. Let's do a star and open up and do the body as that level. And then it is going to have okay, all right, so we will have one box shadow inset. We are going to do a WebKit box reflect on the body. So what it's going to happen is the right hand side, like 200, and oops, and the left hand side will be 20. What I'm going to do is I'm going to box inset box shadow inset -50 pixels 0. Okay, because we're still at 2000. There we go. And let's walk it over. There. Okay. There it is. All right. Now we're cooking with the gas. So that's the body. Let's do a paragraph tag with the same treatment, but we're going to move it up above, and flip it. Either I rotate it or I do a scale, whatever the box reflect needs. So we're going to go, probably needs a height. There you go. Margin, we're going to go -100 and 0 and 100. All right, let's look at it. Need a period to break margin collapse. Okay, there we go. The body has disappeared. What am I doing? It's because of the border. Okay, how about this? I keep forgetting I need to just get this done. It's not moving. I have a period. Did I spell it right? Translate? Yeah. Let's give it an outline. Let's just see what I'm doing wrong. Wow, I am just a mess right here. I don't even see it anywhere. Oh, I know why. I know why. There it is. Still causing overflow. Okay. Yeah, I'm too tired for this. Alright. Here we go. This is a horrible solution. Don't do what I'm doing. But let's just make it work. Wonder. Top. Oh, I know what I need. I need, don't need height. I just need to get rid of that. Got a padding. Okay, let's just do our margin. Oh, okay. No. 210. Okay. I wonder why the box shadow inset is different. Oh, I know why. There it is. 30, 25. This one's 30, and then this one is 25 because we didn't get the dimensions right. I didn't get the dimensions right because I did position fix. So there we go. Now we can do a rotate or something. So let's go rotate 180 degrees, right? So this way, when I do a box reflect right, it won't work. We need to scale. Okay, and let's just do it. Good. I think there's some merit here with this, at least. There we go. Let's hit submit. The box reflect is kind of nice. It's a long property, so it's rare that that's the way to go. I don't really have any better ideas right now. I'm exhausted. I feel my brain just feels mush. Alright, let's just reduce this down. There's a couple things that could be minified. I'm not gonna worry about them. Not tonight. Not with this saving couple characters. 209 characters is terrible. I should have probably even just box shadowed everything and it would have been better. You know, make a circle, box shadow it, and make a square and box shadow it, and it'd probably be about the same. Yeah, if you make one square and you up and out and that, and then you have the reciprocal dot, you'd flip it and you'd have the same box shadows. I don't know. Cool. Well, that was something. Hope you're having fun with this. I'll catch you later.